Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to find the winning product on Facebook. As you know guys, many dropshippers use Facebook ads to sponsor the product. Then on this video I will show you, then I will give you a simple steps that you are using on Facebook to find the best selling product on each country that you are working in. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your browser, then in the search bar tap ad library. Then guys, open the ad library. Then guys, this is the link, the ad library that you are using to find the best selling product on your country. Then guys, for example, go this one and tap United States. For example, you can use each country that you are working in. United States, for example. Then guys, go on the category, then select all ads. Then in the search bar, it's very important, then you need to use, as you know guys, the dropshippers use the particular keywords. For example, free shipping, or 50% discount, or buy one get one free. Any particular keywords that you are to prefer to use. Then guys, for example, I will choose free shipping because many dropshippers use this keywords, free shipping. Then guys, tap OK. Then guys, after you get this product, but you need to filter, then you need to go and click on filter on the right side, then click on filters, then go directly to active status. Then you need to select only active ads. Then guys, you need to scroll down, and select the date, or for example, I prefer to use all between 1 month or 2 months. Then I will select, for example, May, okay, June, July, August, September. For example, you can use 15 September to 24 November. Then guys, apply filters. You can select any month that you are using. Then guys, this is the product, but this is not the winning product. Then I will give you a simple trick to find the winning product on this all ads. As you see guys, this ads, for example, it started in 17 November, but it's not the winning product. Then I will give you a simple example of the winning product. As you see guys, this product is started on 23 November, and the advisors multiply 3 ads. 3 ads use this creative and text. The advisor multiplied the product 3 times. Then I prefer to find the product that the advisor multiply only between 5 or 10 times. Then for example, this one is 3 ads. Then scroll 5. For example, this one is work. I think it's work, this product. Then you need select one more. For example, then it take a few minutes. It take a time to searching of the winning product on this time. As you see guys, this one have 6 ads use this creative antics. As you see guys, this is the winning product, and you can spy the product. For example, go and open the website. I think it's a Shopify website. When you find this icon, it's dropshipping, it's Shopify, sorry. As you see guys, you can choose this product and found this product and use it to dropship the product on this United States, and you can use the ads. As you see guys, this is the easy method to find the winning product. I prefer to find more than 6. It's work. Sometimes you get that the product has 17 or 18 ads use this creative and text. As you see guys, this is the easy method to find the winning product and the winning and the best selling product on each country that you are working in. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.